The life cycle of Plasmodium, causative organisms of the most important infectious disease of human, malaria. Malaria is a very serious disease, difficult to control and widespread, particularly in tropical and subtropical countries. Parasite is carried by mosquitoes, female Anopheles, and sporozoites are injected into a person with the insect saliva during its bite. Sporozoites penetrate liver cells and initiate schizogony. Product of these divisions then enter other liver cells to repeat the schizogonous cycles. The period when the parasites are in the liver is the incubation period, and it lasts from 6 to 15 days depending on the species of Plasmodium. Merozoites released as a result of liver schizogony enter red blood cells, where they begin a series of schizogonous cycles. When they enter red blood cells, they become amoeboid trophozoite, feeding on hemoglobin. A trophozoite within a red blood cells grows and undergoes schizogony, producing 6 to 36 merozoites, which depending on the species burst forth to infect new red blood cells. When a red blood cells containing merozoites burst, it releases the parasite's metabolic products, which have accumulated there. Release of these foreign substances into the patient's circulations cause the chills and fever characteristics of malaria. After some cycles of schizogony in red blood cells, infections of new cells by some of the merozoites causes productions of microgametocytes and macrogametocytes rather than another generation of merozoites. When gametocytes are ingested by mosquito feeding on a patient's blood, they mature into gametes and fertilization occurs. Zygote become a motile ookinete, which penetrate the stomach wall of the mosquito and become an oocyst. Within the oocyst, sporogony occurs and thousands of sporozoites are produced. The oocyst ruptures and the sporozoites migrate to the salivary glands, from which they are transferred to a human by a bite of the mosquito. Development in a mosquito requires 7 to 18 days but may be longer in cool weather.